Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. It's another special day of unboxing because this is the first time that I'm going to unbox a random blind boxes from Finding Unicorn IPs. So I got a different series. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin, I'm going to share it with you first that I got some freebies from this recent purchase from Finding Unicorn. So they gave me a random stickers of different IPs. So I'm not familiar with different IPs of Finding Unicorn because this is my first time to unbox a random blind boxes from them. But as far as I know, the most famous IPs from their most famous series from their IPs is the Farmer Bob and Molinta. Unfortunately, we don't have these blind boxes to unbox this time. I just have the some IPs which like Yuhua, if I'm right. Yuha, and I'm not familiar with other series like Bunny Bonbon, like that. I'm not sure, guys. So during my unboxing, I'm going to share it with you, and just give me your comments down below if I'm not familiar with those IPs, and you can just give me your thoughts and opinions about it. So these are the different IPs from these stickers, and I'm going to begin with another freebies that I got. So I don't have a translation with this one. So this is my first time to get this kind of box, shape of box from Blind Boxes. And I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with them. So give me your thoughts, guys, in the comment section. So let me start with this one. I believe this blind box is a mix of pop beans. I'm sure. I'm not sure if pop beans or beans, if how they called it. So let me start unboxing this one. So one, two, three. Oh, it's like Gashapon, right? So there's a card like this. I'm not sure what is this. Help me translate this one in the comment section and let me open this. Oh, it's a Finding Unicorn, and there's some code with this. So I'll find out later on. So let me start with this Gashapon. They have like 4 Gashapon. Am I right? How I pronounce that one? Gashapon. So this is the first Gashapon that I'm gonna show it with you. Oh, that's how you will pop it. Oh, this one is so cute. Very colorful. You know, guys, that I rarely get Beans IPs or Beans figurines because they are so small. But I found this one very, very cute. I'm not familiar with the IPs or the figure, but this one is so cute. You can use this one or attach this one or on your tumbler, or use this as a ref magnet, or put it on the tip of your ball pen. This one is so cute, very pink. Girls will love this one. This is so cute. Let me open the second Gashapon. This is the blue one. Okay. Oh, should I pop that one? Okay. Oh, I guess this is Molinta. If I'm right, this is Molinta beans. This one is so cute. There's a star design on the stand of head of Molinta. This one is very, very Molinta because of the braided hair. And it's like a mini Molinta. Very cute one. So this is the second bean that I got. The third one is... Okay. It's so hard to pop this one. Maybe there's some stickers. Oh, that's how it is. Okay, I'm not familiar with this also. This, it's mentioned camping. This one is so cute. Very, very nice one. Very pink as well. I love the pastel color of this. They have pastel colors of each figure. This is my fourth and last gashapon on this freebies. It's in a yellow. Gashapon. Oops. Ah, I remember this one. I guess this is Go Polar. Am I right? This one is so cute. It's very Christmassy. It's a Christmas vibe one. Very nice. So these are the four beans from the freebies that I got. These are so cute. Very, very cute. My favorite here is Molinta. I like this one. If you have other favorites from these four guys, you can comment down below. Very, very small figures. So guys, let's proceed with another beans, which is, I believe this is a Leisure Life series of Uwi Uwi or Uli Uli. I'm not sure. They have like two, four, six designs and three hidden figures with this one. I'm not sure who's the hidden figures, but from the confirmed figures, I wanna get this guy. I guess this is Yuwa. This is Yuwa. I wanna get, I guess, Rico, or I'm not sure, but this one, I wanna get this one, and this one. So let's see. I'm not sure, or I don't know if how many uh, pop beans inside or beans inside of this box. Okay. You know, guys, this is my first time to unbox like this, and these are so cool and very, very cute. I love the packaging. It's like I'm opening a box of chocolate, and they have like four flavors in here, and I like the color. Very pastel. So let me open the first bin that we have. One, two, three. Oops, I guess this is Molinta. This is so cute. Oops. Sorry, Siga. Yeah, is this Molinta? Hmm. Yeah, but they have different one, different color. Oops. Oh, this is a hidden edition, right? Look, guys. So this is the confirmed one, and this is the special edition because it has a different color. Yay! Right. I guess this is the special edition. Nice. This is my first time to unbox and got a secret or special edition. And it's like a beginner's luck from Finding Unicorn, right? Nice one. I like this. It's so cool. Yep. I'll keep this one and let me open the second foil. So one, two, three. Oops. Oh, this is cute. Who's this again? Yeah. So this is the one. I'm not sure what's the name of this figure. Please comment down below who's this little cutie. So we got a confirmed one. So let me open the third one. Okay. Oops, very small. Oops! Yay! The one that I like. Yua. Okay, this is so cute. This is Yua. Okay, let me open the last one. This is so cool. They are all like candies and chocolates. Very pastel one. One, two, three. Oops. Okay, who's this one? Oh, I'm not sure if this is a special color as well. Hmm. I'm not sure about this one, guys, because this one is red and this one is pink. And the hair is pink. And the hair of this one is brown. I'm not sure. Okay, did I get a two special edition or hidden edition? These two figures. Please comment down below, guys, if I got these two as special edition. But I'm sure about this one. But this one, I have to double check for you. But these are so cute. Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with another pop beans. So this one is Imagine Life series, and they have like 8 confirmed figures in this selection, and they have 3 hidden figures or edition. So let's see. In the first one, we get a first hidden edition. So I hope I'll get another secret edition in this selection. So from these confirmed figures, I wanna get Shiwu. and Repolar as well, and Yua. So let's see. Let me open this one. It's another pop bin. I like the color, very pastel, and they have 4 figures inside. So let me open the first one. So 1, 2, 3. Oops, who's this? I'm not sure who's this lady, but this is the first figure that they have. So if you know the figurine or the name of this IP, please comment down below. So this is my first one. It's not my favorite. Let me open the second one. Oops, another Molinta. Yes. Okay, we got the second figure in this box. It's not a secret edition. So let me open the third one. Oops, it's so hard. Oh, Yua. Yes, this is Yua. It's not secret edition. Let me put this one here. And the last one. I hope it's a secret edition, guys. I'm so excited. Oops. Surprise. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Oh, no. It's a confirmed figure. And this, I guess this is Rico. Rico. Yes, this is Rico. Okay. This is the 4 beans that we unboxed from this series. So my favorites from this selection is Yua. If you like Yua as well, guys, as a pop beat, you can comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with the blind box unboxing. So this is Shinwoo, and this is the series of Vampire Candy Shop. So what I like to get, or my prio in this selection, is the Stay With Me, the one with the tooth, the Bittersweet Love. Also, okay, who's the better one here? The Lollipop Vampire. Okay, so these three, 1, 2, 3 are my priors. So maybe we can get a secret from this. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They have too much series, or too much confirmed figures, and they have surprise version, 2, 4. They have 4 surprise version. They have 2 special flavors, and this another one, another surprise. So they have too much. So let's see. I hope I'll get a surprise one or a special edition from this series. And I found them so creepy but adorable at the same time. Very cute, very colorful. I like the illustration of their box. It's very artistic. So let's see, guys, if we are able to get our prios or a secret from this selection. Okay, I don't wanna see any spoiler. Oops, oops. The art card is attached. Uh-oh. Oops, no spoiler. So it's my first time to get this kind of like, what you call this one? It's like a diathon, or to make it heavy inside of the box. So let's see, guys. I like the illustration of their foil, very colorful. I like the branding. So let's see, guys. It's so hard to open this one. No spoiler. Okay, keep the card. So 1, 2, 3. My first Shinwoo. Oops. Oh, there's another inclusion inside. Okay. Oh, who's this one? Who's this one? Very nice. I like the eyes. It's so glittery. Let me see the art card so that I can show you. So this is the Naughty Tooth Fairy. Is it here? Oh, okay. So this is Naughty Tooth Fairy. So this is a regular one. Still very, very cute. Let me show you the art card first. It's so hard to remove this. So I like the art card. Very nice, very colorful. This is Naughty Tooth Fairy. Very cute. It's like a bags of candies. Yeah. Let me put the inclusion. It's like a surfing board, but or maybe I remember the one that you can use under your teeth to remove some or to pluck some of your tartar, I guess. Oh, I don't know if this is magnetized. No, it's not a magnetized. It's a stand. So Shinwoo here is like a tooth. He's wearing a headgear or headdress like a tooth with a horn, and he's handling a toothpaste, and he's about to brush his teeth. And I like the translucent uh, figure on the top of his head. It's like a mini ghost. This one is so cute. It's like a mini egg and a mini egg ghost. I'm not sure, but this one is very, very cute, very colorful. They use a translucent material with this one, but there's some shimmery part like on the head. This one is so cool. Very nice figure. Very cute, very different from what I unboxed before. And very artistic. So if you like Shinwoo as a Naughty Tooth Fairy, guys, please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with another Shinwoo, the Ghost Bear House series. So they have like too much also. 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 confirmed figures and 2 secret. So what I like to get with this series is the Ghost Bear channel. This one, the Be With Me, the Warm Hug. This one's looks so cute. The swallowed light, and the hide and seek. So let's see, guys. I hope I'll get a secret, but this one is so light. It's not heavy, so I'm not sure if my pariahs are here or not. So let's see. So this is my first ever Shinwoo Ghost Bear House figure. So whoever it is, it's okay with me because it's a first time. So let's see, guys. I just hope my first first Ghost Bear House figure will be my prio or a secret. So let me open this one. Oh, where's the card? Okay, no peeking with the card. Look, guys, I like their artwork in the foil. Very colorful. It mentioned here exclusive Ghost Bear House. So let's see. Oh, don't no peeking on the card. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, who's this one? It's like a. I'm not sure if this is an oven, a oven, and this is so cool. It's like there are two ghosts inside the oven, and the one is like flaming fire or a onion, and it's like a potato. And this one's cute. So these are best friends. It's a questionable one. Best friends. So let's see. So this is the art card. So this is the warm hug. Okay. I like their card. Very colorful one. And it's hard card and very nice material. So this is warm hug. So it's not a secret or special. I like the quality. I really, really like the translucent one that they use in the material of this figure. Very nice one. Very creepy, but still cute. So if you like Shinwoo as a warm hug, please comment down below. So guys, we have last two boxes here, and the other one is another Shinwoo, and the other one is Yuha. But let me open Yuha first because Shinwoo is a plush pendant or plush doll in this box. So I'll save it for last. So let me unbox Yuha first before the blind box of blind box, the pendant, the plush pendant of Shinwoo. So Yuha has or have like 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 confirmed figures, and they have like 6 secret. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, too many secrets. 6. So in the confirmed figure, I wanna get the I Love Holiday, the Energies. I wanna get High Kick as well. High Kick and Daydreamer, or My Flower. So let's see, guys. Let me open Yuha, and this is my first time to get or to unbox Yuha as well. Do I pronounce it right? Please comment down below. It's Yuha from Finding Unicorn. And there's still a plastic foil that we have to remove. So guys, let me open at the bottom part. I hope it's a special one. So let's see. Where's the card? Oh, why they attach the card here? Okay, let me keep the card first. So this is Yuha, the Touchable City. I really like their foil because there's an artwork with this and branding, so it's very nice. So let me open our first Yuha, the Untouchable City series. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Oh, it's a bunny, a creepy bunny one, and there is an inclusion. Who's this one? In the rain. Okay. So let me show you first the art card. Okay. I like their art card. Looks premium because it's a hard material. And this is In the Rain, Agan. I'm not sure. Is this Agan? Yuha. But this is Agan. Okay. Please comment down below, guys. Who's Agan? Okay, let me fix it first and so that I'm able to show you the full set. Oops. It has a small umbrella. How I will put this one? Is he handling like this? Or holding like this? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Maybe like this. I'm not sure. How? Okay. Okay. So this is In the Rain. What I like about this one is the material that they use. It's very heavy material. Looks very quality figure. And he's wearing a shimmery raincoat and it's pink one. It's very glittery. It's not too visible, but if you can see in the actual figure, very shimmery one, very glossy type material. It's like a creepy bunny because of the tail, the bunny tail. It's a gray bunny. And what I notice about this figure is the eyes has a face as well. So this one is so cute, very cute, very creepy but adorable at the same time. I should get more of these. Because I started to collect creepy figures. So I hope you like this figure as well, guys. This is Yuha. I dropped the card. If you like this one as well, guys, please comment down below. So guys, this is our last box. I'm not sure if this is Shinwoo, plush doll, or plush pendant, but it has a 6 confirmed figures and 1 secret. And my prize here that I want to get is the Raggedy Bear or the Timid Yeti and the Last Cookie. These three are my favorites from this collection. So let's see, guys. I like the artwork of the box because it's so colorful, very artistic. Let's see, guys. So if this one is one of our priors or maybe a secret, my first ever plush doll or pendant from Finding Unicorn Shinwoo series, the Cold Hug series. So let's see. Oh, I don't want to see the art card first. Okay, I really like the artwork in the foil because it looks like a bag of chips or cookies, very colorful. My Last Cookie, the Cold Hug. Yeah, I guess this is a plush pendant because I feel and touch the ring inside, and it's a violet one. It's a violet ring. So who has a... Oops! Oh, I dropped a... Wait! This is the secret! Oh my gosh! Guys! This is the secret, right? Unfortunately, guys, I lost an audio with this video, so I have to do a voiceover because of my too excitement. That's why I don't know that my mic was off with this video. So let's open now this blind box, and surprisingly, I got the secret from this collection. I didn't expect that one because I think it's just a beginner's luck, but this one is very nice and quality plush pendant, and there's a quite secret with this one. If you're going to check the gift box, that in his body there's a zipper, so there's something inside of it. So let me open this one for you so that you can see the surprise as well. So one, two, three, go! Yay! So it's a heart one. It's a plush also. And it's there's a stitch on the heart. It's like a broken heart one. So guys, this one is very very cute. You can give this one as a gift as well, and you can put something inside of it, like a ring that you want to give to your loved ones, to your girlfriends, or you can put a mini chocolates inside. So guys, this one is a very very quality plush pendant, and as I've said, it's a beginner's luck. This is so cute. It's a very soft material, and I like the stitches, and even the color gradient is so beautiful and it's so cool. So guys, there's a stitch as well on the gift box. I like the intricate details of this one. So I hope you like this one as well, guys. And let's see if I can get another one soon. So what do you think about this one, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today from Finding Unicorn with different IPs. So surprisingly, they are all beautiful and adorable but creepy at the same time. I started to collect creepy figures because they are all cute and unique. So if I'm going to pick and choose my top favorites from this lineup, let me think about it. But for sure, I will definitely pick Shinwoo plush pendant, which is the secret because I got so excited and surprised from this plush pendant because I never expect this one. It's like a beginner's luck for me, and this one has a quality materials, and I love the color gradient of this plush pendant. And the second one that I'm going to pick, it's not because it is a secret, but because of the color gradient that they use from these beans. So this one is from Molinta, and I was surprised as well that I got a secret, and I love the color combination of Molinta here. And another top pick favorites from this collection is Agan from uh, Yunhua. I guess that's Yunhua. The creepy bunnies, the blue one, and the pink one. So I like these three from this Pop Beans collection. And I'm going to pick another big Yunhua, which is Agan as well. I love the quality material of this one and the intricate details of this figure. And this looks so premium and looks luxury. And I'm going to pick another favorites from this collection, which is from Shinwoo. I guess that's a ghost from inside the oven. So they're all cute and beautiful. I love all the colors combination because they use a pastel colors, and I like the gradient colors, and even the quality materials of this collection are very unique and adorable. So, guys, these are my top favorites from this collection. If you enjoyed watching this unboxing, you are free to like and share this video, and don't forget to tap the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. So guys, thanks again for watching. Bye!